Watch until the end. What if the global financial system collapsed in just 7 days? Not over a year, not slowly, but in a single week. It sounds like a disaster movie. But let's imagine it becomes reality. Day 1. A major international bank suddenly announces liquidity problems. The news breaks overnight. By morning, the stock market drops 15%. Investors panic. Depositors rush to withdraw their money. You open your banking app, and for the first time, you see a message: transactions may be delayed. That's when it starts to feel real. Day 2. Banks limit cash withdrawals. Stock exchanges temporarily halt trading. Governments release emergency statements. Whenever officials say everything is under control, it usually means things are not under control. Social media explodes. People line up at ATMs. A phrase starts trending everywhere: crisis of confidence. Day 3. Markets fall again. Investors rush into so-called safe assets. Gold rises. Cryptocurrency becomes extremely volatile. Some people make fortunes, some lose everything. Most just sit there refreshing charts every 10 seconds, hoping red suddenly turns green. Day 4. International payments begin to fail. Companies can't pay suppliers. Shipping containers sit in ports. Imports slow down. Within days, it starts affecting everyday life. Prices rise. Certain products disappear from shelves. For the first time, you realize the financial system isn't abstract. It's food, fuel, and your paycheck. Day 5. Businesses freeze salaries. Companies announce layoffs. The job market cools rapidly. Yesterday, people were afraid artificial intelligence would replace them. Now they're afraid their entire company might disappear. Unemployment rises. Consumer spending drops. The economy slows even faster. Day 6. Central banks announce emergency measures. They launch support programs. They inject liquidity. They print money. It sounds powerful, but trust has already been damaged. The financial system doesn't run only on numbers. It runs on belief. The belief that money tomorrow will work the same way it does today. Day 7. The world stands at a crossroads. Either the system stabilizes slowly, or a reset begins. Talks begin about a new financial architecture, central bank digital currencies, new global settlement systems, less dependence on the dollar, more regional alliances. History shows that every major financial shock reshapes the rules of the game. After crises come new regulations, new institutions, and new leaders. But the real question isn't whether the system can collapse. The real question is whether you are prepared for the rules to change in a single week. The global financial system feels massive and unbreakable, but it is built on decisions made by people, and people make mistakes. If this scenario feels impossible, remember how many impossible events have already happened in modern history. Subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments what you want to see in the next video.